The Unity Village Nature Trail is a quiet and gentle hike. The trail is located in the small township of Unity Village, nestled between the borders of Lee's Summit and Kansas City. Renovated and dedicated as the Carl L. Chinnery Nature Trail in 2016, the trail is now a designated wildlife preserve and is registered as one of the Great Missouri Birding Trails. The Unity Village Nature Trail is a 2.4-mile loop. Only hiking is permitted, but pets are welcome as long as they are on a leash. The terrain of the trail is crushed gravel. The pathway is wide and well-maintained, and other than one steep incline, the trail is ADA accessible. One of the more interesting features on the trail is a natural bridge that can be found near the trailhead. This particular formation is one of only a few natural bridges in western Missouri, and is rumored to have been one of the hideouts for the infamous outlaw, Jesse James. On your hike, you'll notice that the trail has two starkly contrasting environments. One half is predominantly open grassland, while the other half meanders along Little Cedar Creek under a shaded forest canopy. Along the trail, you will also encounter several workout stations with instructions on how to use them, part of Unity Village's HitTheTrails system. Now, please enjoy this virtual tour of Unity Village Nature Trail. Thank you for watching this tour of Unity Village Nature Trail in Unity Village, Missouri. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you on your next adventure. Take care.